Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Garmin Forerunner 645 Music. It's a nice small sturdy box here. Now this is brand new from Garmin, recently released. I think they were showing it off at the tech shows this January. It's designed to hold a battery charge for 5 to 7 days with normal use. This model now features music, which is why I got it, so you don't need to keep your phone near you if you want to go on a ride or run. And it's quoting about 5 hours of music and GPS time, and it'll hold about 500 songs. It's waterproof. It has the Garmin Pay, a whole wealth of fitness analytics, training status, and it'll connect to your smartphone to house all that information on a handy app. Let's go ahead and open here. It's opening up. Got the quick start manual. We've got the charging cord, which is a small clip. Well, this is my first Garmin wearable here, but I think this was a similar connection to the Vivio Fits in that, so it'll connect right here. And finally, we've got our watch face right here. I do like this stainless steel bezel that it has around the edge. I don't think you'll get any discoloration with that. This model does not have a touchscreen on it, which I think will be great because my hands will probably be wet or sweating a lot of times when you're trying to use the functions. So buttons are going to make it more precise and easy to use. Let's go ahead and unfasten here. It's a good feel to the band. Soft. Pull out that little protector. Flip it over. And here it is. Looks very nice, very sleek, simple. It's not very thick. One thing I was trying to watch out for was getting an overly large piece of equipment. I do have pretty big wrists, and it looks like, I'll go ahead and set it on here. It's one-handed here. A little bit harder than you'd think. Put it on single-handed. So that's about the length right there with the included band. I don't have small hands or small wrists, so it will fit on larger wrists. Not overly large. Nice weight to it. It's not super heavy, and it is what I expected for size-wise with the unit. So that concludes the unboxing here of the Garmin Forerunner 645 with music. We'll go ahead and get this charged up and do another video about the operation. Go ahead and look at the link down below. You can click that and take a look at that video. We'll see you next time.